how to fix Facebook featured photos not appearing. So open your Facebook app. Now tap on your Facebook profile icon from the top right corner. Tap on your profile bar. Now see, there is no featured photos. So how to fix featured photos not appearing on your Facebook profile? Simply click on three dot options. Now tap on turn off Facebook professional mode. Tap on continue and confirm turn off. Now back to your profile and refresh your profile. Now go to edit profile. Now see Facebook featured photos appearing on your Facebook profile. So in this way you can fix Facebook featured photos not appearing problem.